Rich in vitamins and proteins, dry fruits and nuts make a healthy snack. So today, I have a nutritious and a filling dry fruit beverage for you that is going to be an energy booster on a tiring day. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for dry fruit milkshakes two ways. And guess what? It's vegan. Dry fruits are an optimum choice to boost your immunity. You can have almonds, pistachios, dates, raisins while you're fasting, as they are a storehouse of energy. They also help in weight management and are extremely nutritious. So I have laid out all these delicious nuts and dry fruits here to make this lovely beverage. So let's get started. In a blending jar, I'm going to add in 4 almonds, tablespoon of cashew nut pieces, a tablespoon of pistachios. Next, I'm going to add in 3 cardamom pods, and I've peeled the skin. Let's just grind all these dry nuts together. The aroma of the cardamom is divine. Just get all the powder together. And now let's add in the dry fruits. So I have around 3 dates that I've roughly chopped, 1 dried fig roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon raisins. Since this is a vegan milkshake, I'm going to use almond milk. But I also like the flavor of vanilla soy milk for this milkshake. You can use other milks like coconut milk, oats milk, but it does change the flavor, so I prefer the first 2 options. So let's add in about 2-3 tablespoons of milk to grind all of this smoothly. This doesn't need to be a fine paste. Even if it's coarsely ground, it's fine. You'll get the nice chunky flavor of the nuts and the dry fruits in your bite. So let's check on this. This looks good, and let's add in the remaining milk. The total quantity of the almond milk that I'm using is 1.5 cups. Let's add in a couple of ice cubes as well. Clean the sides of the jar. Let's give this a final blend. And this milkshake is ready. Let's pour this in a glass. This milkshake is ready. This one is by itself a sugar-free milkshake. But if you want a little bit of a different flavor, you can drizzle a little bit of rose syrup over it if you don't mind the sugar. So this one's done. Let's move on to the next variant. Let me just go clean this up very quickly. This one was a very Indianized flavor. Now to the next one, I'm going to add a slight Western touch. For that, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of Instant Oats. Next, add in 3 to 4 almonds. You can choose any one nut between cashews, pistachios or almonds. So let's just add these in. 5 to 6 dates that I've roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Just a small sprinkle of cinnamon powder. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Just grind this slightly. Let's check on this. There's a coarse paste of all the ingredients, which is absolutely fine. Let's add in the remaining milk. A total of 1.5 cups and some ice cubes. A last blend. And this milkshake is ready. Let's pour it in a glass. Sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder. You can also add in a little bit of honey if you wish. Particularly in this variant, you can add in some coffee powder and some vegan ice cream and give it a nice coffee milkshake touch. So do give both these variants a try. They make a very healthy and fulfilling breakfast. And do let me know how it turned out. I'll see you next Monday on Rajshri Food. See you then. Bye-bye.